Welcome back to King's Auto Garage, your trusted multi-brand car care destination in Dubai. Take a look at this legend, a 1996 Nissan Super Safari, a true off-road icon brought to us in need of a full transformation.
If you catch my drift.
We started with the interior. The old upholstery was completely removed, and we are making the surface clean before doing the painting over the floor. We deep cleaned the underbody and applied a full protective coating to prevent rust and wear, giving this beast the strength to take on my terrain. Before the first drop of paint was sprayed, we carefully prepared every panel. Old layers were sanded down, surface imperfections corrected, and the body was cleaned and masked with precision to ensure a flawless finish.
On your feet right next to me, come on.
Next, we gave every panel a new lease of life with a full body repaint. Every detail was handled with precision, restoring that iconic look while protecting it for years to come. We then applied a high quality primer, creating a strong foundation for the new paint. Using advanced color matching technology, we recreated the original shade with a modern touch to maintain its classic charm. The base coat was applied in a controlled environment using professional spray booth system, followed by multiple layers of premium clear coat to enhance durability and give the vehicle that deep factory refresh shine. Once the paint was applied, it was left to cure under optimal conditions, allowing the finish to harden and bond properly, reducing the risk of scratches and fading over time. After curing, we moved on to multi-stage polishing. Using professional grade compounds and tools, we carefully buff the surface to eliminate any fine imperfections, bringing out a mirror-like glossy and smooth finish. You gotta make a move to me, baby, move to me, baby, yeah, yeah, yeah. Nah, you know me, I'm not wasting time. No secrets left to hide. You gotta show me love when you're ready, love when you're ready, yeah, yeah. The result, a beautifully restored 1996 Nissan Super Safari Classic on the outside, refreshed and ready on the inside. King's Auto Garage. We don't just service cars, we research the stories. Visit us in Dubai for expert car care, all premium European and American and classic rides.